Crypto in 2025. The evolution, trends, and what's next. Cryptocurrencies have come a long way since the first Bitcoin transaction in 2009. As we enter 2025, the crypto ecosystem is no longer a fringe financial curiosity, but a fully fledged alternative economy with global influence. In this episode, we explore the current state of the crypto world, where it's headed, and what newcomers and veterans alike should watch closely. In early 2025, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has once again surpassed $3 trillion, with Bitcoin holding a stable yet less dominant position, hovering at around 35% market share. Ethereum continues to push its Layer 2 ecosystem, with Optimism and Arbitrum networks now processing more daily transactions than Ethereum's mainnet. What stands out in 2025 is the rise of real-world asset tokenization. Governments and private firms are using blockchain networks to tokenize everything from real estate and carbon credits to artwork and stock portfolios. The tokenization of real-world assets, RWA, is projected to reach a market size of $16 trillion by 2030, and we are seeing its infrastructure solidify this year. Ethereum, Avalanche, and Polkadot are key players in this shift. The role of central banks has also shifted, with over 90 countries now piloting or launching central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The digital euro and digital yuan have become integrated into day-to-day transactions for millions. This has brought crypto back into the regulatory spotlight. In 2025, regulation isn't the enemy, it's a driver of adoption. Clear guidelines in the US, EU, and Southeast Asia have created a pathway for institutions to safely enter the space. Companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan are now routinely issuing crypto-based financial products. Compliance and transparency are no longer fringe concerns. They're part of the business model. KYC and AML solutions on-chain are powering a new wave of identity-centric dApps that put user ownership at the center of data. Another major trend in 2025 is the convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain. Decentralized AI networks, such as Ocean Protocol and Fetch.ai, are enabling users to monetize data, models, and processing power in an open marketplace. This creates a feedback loop where AI models can be trained on permission data via smart contracts, preserving privacy while enabling deep learning at scale. Blockchain is becoming not just a ledger, but a digital infrastructure layer for permissionless computation. On-chain compute networks are gaining traction, with projects like Akash Network and Render tokenizing processing power. These networks are crucial for AI inference tasks and metaverse rendering, bringing real utility to crypto tokens in ways that weren't feasible just a few years ago. The last key shift is in how communities form and grow in the crypto space. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, are evolving from simple voting platforms into complex, multi-layered economies with clear incentive structures. In 2025, DAOs are issuing their own credentials, hosting virtual job markets, and operating governance systems rivaling those of mid-sized cities. The concept of the network state, championed by thinkers like Balaji Srinivasan, is no longer theoretical. There are now at least 3 active digital nations with real economies, educational institutions, and diplomatic relations with traditional states. These aren't just tech experiments. They're the next phase in online identity and collective decision-making. With Web3 social media gaining steam, people now earn tokens for their posts, upvotes, and engagement, fundamentally transforming how content is valued. A 2025 crypto landscape is a dynamic, regulated, and multifunctional ecosystem. From digital identities and real-world tokenization to AI-powered smart contracts and DAO-based governance, the crypto world continues to innovate at breakneck speed. Whether you're a developer, investor, or creator, There has never been a more important time to understand the shifts shaping this space.